Good morning, dear children. Welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what all things we have discussed in previous class. Previous class, we were discussing about pinhole camera. The image formed in pinhole camera is inverted. Now let us understand what is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. We have already discussed this. Do you know how light travels? Light travels along a straight path. Now let us prove that light travels along a straight path with the help of some experiments. Take a burning candle and take a cylindrical object or a long rubber tube. Now try to see through the tube. What do you see? You will able to see the light coming from the candle. The light which produced by the flame of the candle. Now try the same thing in a different way. Instead of a straight tube, try to see the same thing through the bent tube. Now this time you will not able to see the burning candle. Why? Because light always travels along a straight path. You can able to see the light through the tube which is not bended. But when you bend the tube, it's not possible to see the light. Now let's perform another experiment. For this, you need some plain cards. Make holes at the center of each of them. Now take one burning candle. What you will see? You will see that this light will be clearly seen to be passing through the holes of all the cards. Now we have arranged the cards in such a way that holes of a card lie along a straight line. So you will be able to see the burning candle very clearly. Now just move one card this way. Now what happens? Will you able to see the light? No. This suggests that light travels along a straight line. That is why when opaque objects obstruct it, a shadow forms. Now this is a very simple experiment that you can try at your home. Discuss that light travels along a straight path. And with the help of some experiments, we learned that light travels along a straight path. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. All of you copy the notes and study the notes. And there will be a small test paper. So all of you attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.